All right, what's up, guys? This is going to be a quick one on just getting your weekly metrics report set up. This is a kind of a separate module in the system. What you're going to want to do is go over to Add Insights, Weekly Metrics, download your advertising report. So just double click there. It'll open up your ad console. If you don't already have an advertising product report set up, I do here, you'll want to grab usually like a past 7 days is what it's set up for. So here you can see I've got an advertising. You want it to be daily and then last 7 days. And then if you have it already in here, you can just hit run report to get a new one each time. Or if you don't have one set up, you'll just go create new report, sponsored products. You'll change this to advertised products, set it to daily, and then set it to last 7 days. And then hit run report. And then when you do that, it'll be put into this, default report. So you'll have it available for you. You just want to make sure it's daily and set to 7 days and advertised report. I'm going to go ahead and hit run report. And then that just runs a new report for the last 7 days, gets me that information. I've already got one downloaded, I believe, for my account. So I'll just use that for this quick training. So once you have that, save your Google Drive, go to import product advertising past 7 days. There we go. Just like the others, import new sheet, import data. Then you're going to go to Add Insights, Weekly Metrics, Sync Metrics. All right, and that's basically it. You're going to get your data here. You can see I've got it blurred out because it's my campaigns, but essentially, it's going to, at the default level, sort it by orders. And you can see up here, it says weekly orders with the highest at the top. So you can double click on any of these and get more insight into, here you can see, for example, it looks like I've paused or archived some high performing campaigns. I did just recently redo my campaign structure, so that's why this is showing up, but had some for on the 29th, 30th, and 1st that were doing decent, but then they've gotten hit with zeros. This is an application of what you would want to kind of pay attention to on your campaigns that your active campaigns that you're running. You can change the metric. So if you want to look at like impressions or something different, go up to weekly metrics and then just pick whichever one you want to see, and it's going to replace that data accordingly. So pretty quick hitter, but it can be very useful in monitoring your past week performance and just see any trends that maybe you've got your best performing campaign that's kind of fallen off. You can get into more details. You can double click on it and see which records make up that summation like we did on all the tiles. So pretty useful. Check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks.